Okay, question number 2. We are listing our givens to start with. So I see 5.6. So I write it down, 5.6 meters per second squared. I see 6 meters per second. So I write that down as well. Okay. I see the word rest, and the word rest is really the number 0. 0 meters per second. So I list that out. And it asks for how much time. Time equals question mark. So there we go, t equals question mark to start with. All right, now I can work my way backwards. So meters per second is velocity, all right? And it's starting from it, so that's initial velocity. Again, meters per second is velocity, and this must be final velocity. All right, meters per second squared is acceleration. So now I have my 2 equations, or 3 equations, but I'm going to ask myself the 2 questions to pick the right answer. All right, first question is, how far? Do I have anything with an x or a d, anything about position or displacement or meters? And the answer is no, okay? There's nothing in here that has to do with x, f, or d. So right away I can cross out both equations down below because they both have an x, f, or a d in it, and they're not very useful without that. So the only equation left is the first equation. All right, but now we have to do some algebra to solve for t. And I understand students will probably put numbers in first. That's okay, but I'm going to do the algebra with the letters first. So I'm going to subtract vi from both sides. So I have vf minus vi is equal to a times t. And now I'm going to divide both sides by a. So I have t is equal to vf minus vi divided by a. Plug in numbers. Vf is 6, Vi is 0, and A is 5.6. So basically, it's just 6 divided by 5.6, and that'll get your answer.